Hey there, welcome to TickTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off your mentions in your threads from your PC. So just open your preferred web browser and go on and log into your threads profile or account from their website. So this is a main page, and this will look somewhat similar to yours. Now what you need to do is click on this icon, more icon on the left side of the panel, and go on settings. Now what you need to do is you're going to click on mention, which is in the privacy tab. Click on mention, right? Click on it, and well, since we're going to turn off mentions, we're just going to click on no one. So now what that does is it will turn off mentions completely. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.